Hi, I'm Natalie Podena, and today we're going to talk about how to plan your very first photo shoot. We're going to talk about location, poses, clothing, equipment, especially lenses, so let's get right into it. So, you are planning your first photo shoot. You probably found a friend who just ran out of excuses, so congrats! It's really hard to find people in the beginning. So this video is here to help you plan a little bit ahead and make the most out of your first photo shoot. To find the right location, take a good look at your model. What is their style? How are they as a personality? And try to match that to the location. You can also work with contrast. For example, a dancing ballerina is always a good idea in an urban environment because those two just clash. But it's on the safe side to just go with similar things. For example, if you have someone who's quite natural, be it female or male, it really doesn't matter. It's a good idea to go to the park or to the forest and set up something that matches that environment. It will look more coherent and will most likely transfer the message to the viewer later. So how do you do that best? Scout your location. That means before you go out and shoot, try to go at a similar time that you are planning to shoot to some locations and see where the lighting is really nice, if that fits to your model, and just take some random shots with your phone so you can take a good look at them later and, even start planning a little bit more. Now that you have figured out the location, it's really important that you know what your model will be wearing. This can be one outfit or two if it's possible to change at the location that you're shooting. Obviously, you don't have to go to the person's home to pick out an outfit. It's also okay to get pictures sent to you where the person is wearing the outfit they want to wear or that you discussed that he or she would wear. Just make sure that the person doesn't put any filters on there where the colors might end up differently. If you need some inspiration when it comes to outfits, a good place to start is Instagram, Pinterest, or even TikTok, which is also a great place to find poses. It's really good to research some poses and make sure that they work in the location that you are shooting. It will give the model a little heads up and you can try out different things and make the model feel more comfortable. Especially if it's someone who's not a professional model. Just think how you are feeling in front of a camera and if you would know what to do. Because I surely wouldn't. And I would have to study a lot of poses before someone could even start to have a photo shoot with me. Though I'm not a huge fan of TikTok, I do like the videos some people post about poses they are doing on shoots. They are very short, very quick to learn, so even if you run out of ideas during your photo shoot, just open up TikTok and scroll down the poses and maybe you'll find something you want to try out. Found a model, you found the right location, figured out an outfit or two, and made a list of poses. The next thing to figure out is what equipment will you use. Depending on your lens kit, I do advise not to take all of your lenses to a shoot because you won't use them. Just take one or two you are very comfortable with and work with those. A reflector can be really handy to bounce some more light into the model's face. And although it's a little bit difficult to do it all by yourself, you can use your backpack or some objects around you to just position the reflector in a right place, see if it bounces off some light, and just stay there and tell the model not to move too much maybe. Or if you can, ask another friend who doesn't really have to know photography to help you with a reflector. Some other things you can pack up are some accessories for the picture itself. That can be fairy lights or flowers or something to put in front of your lens. A non-brainer, but I will just put it out there, don't forget to pack enough batteries and SD cards. A good preparation for a photo shoot is very important, and the more you have those, the more you will realize how much time it saves you. However, you should still be flexible. Not everything will work out the way you plan it, so you have to adapt quickly and make the best out of it. Another good thing to do after your photo shoot is to sit down and take some notes, what went well, what didn't go so well, and use those notes when you're planning your next photo shoot. So this is how you plan your first photo shoot. If you have any questions left, feel free to leave a comment, like this video if you liked it, and if you want to see me again, don't forget to subscribe. I really hope to see you in my next one, so take care.